We started with just the chicken breasts. Oh, chicken thighs, my bad. Alright, this meal will not take long at all. Another clean. For my veggie preps, I have peppers and shallots, minced garlic, and sliced grape tomatoes. And I have about like, what is it? Maybe like about almost 2 cups of spinach. I'm just gonna pat the chicken dry so that my seasonings actually stick. For some pepper. And obviously on both sides. Then we're gonna do a little bit of Italian seasoning. I want it to be a little spicy, so a little cayenne pepper. Not too much though. Not too much, you know? Bobby. Some Cajun seasoning, or you can use Tony's, of course. Tony's was just too expensive today. Onion powder. And garlic powder. Now we have the chicken all ready to season. A little bit of oil. Just a little bit of oil. Add butter. It's like 2.5 tablespoons of butter. So now we got the chicken. It's been about like 6 minutes. We're gonna flip the chicken. Pretty good sear. Okay. Good. That's how I like it. That's how I like it. Okay. Let's see if I can show you. We've got a nice good little sear on here. Get all this butter turned around. Now we're gonna have it sear for another like good 6 minutes. Good like sear on both sides, not fried too hard. But let's do skin. Make sure it's skin side up too. Actually, yeah. Make sure it's skin side up so that skin side doesn't get too soggy. I hate soggy chicken skin. That's disgusting to me. Now we're gonna add our shallots and red bell pepper. We're gonna add the grape tomatoes. Cool it down a little bit. Not tonight. Film. Alright, now we have the heavy cream. I'm gonna add the spinach now and cool it down. I'm big home. I'm gonna add the chicken back to the sauce. Kind of cool it down and also heat up the chicken, you know. Chemistry, temperatures, you know, mixing. This is what I like to sit on. Really like cover the chicken so the chicken's actually like really smothered, you know. Got my top. We're gonna cover it for like another, at least like 3 minutes. Got a little bit of honey, just a teensy bit. Now I'm gonna cut the heat, turn the heat off, add the Parmesan cheese. Hey, I'll be upset. I caught off, he missing me. A little extra cayenne at the end, little parsley. It's pretty much done, ready to go. How amazing does that look? Now we're just gonna cover it and take it off the heat because we don't want the cheese to get too like congealed and weird texture. Right. Let's try this meal.